Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keep voice access on during phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Then go down and tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, go down and tap on voice access. In here, go down and tap on settings. Next, swipe up to go down and then tap on active during calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or off. Now in here, say voice access needs permission to make and manage phone calls. This allows you to control whether voice access is used for calls or stops listening when you're in a call. So tap on the continue button down here. And then tap on allow to provide voice access the permission. Again, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. And so that keep voice access on during phone calls. So if during a call, if you turn this option on, voice access will stay active. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.